blood test. Which blood test is the best blood test? And here's the short answer. There is not one single blood test that is the best, right? And because there's no blood test that can tell you every single thing that's about your body, your organ functions. There's no single blood test, right? And if someone tells you that there is, and that there's this awesome blood test you need to pay thousands of dollars for, run away from them, okay? They're trying to sell you something, right? And it's something forever. Now, here's the thing. How do you determine which blood test to do? It depends on your goals. If your goal is relief care or corrective care. If you don't care, if you just want relief and you don't care that you have to take a pill for the rest of your life, then there are blood tests for that. Now, if you want to correct the problem and you want to actually be able to find a solution to restore your body's organs function, there's some other blood tests. I can talk about it more in other posts. But make sure you click the follow button to get more information about which blood test you